Hello friends, I hope you all are great. Today I am going to share top 20 features of Samsung Note app. So let's get started. Number 1. How to insert PDF file. When you open the Samsung Note, there is an option of import PDF. You can select the PDF option and select whichever PDF file you want to open. After opening PDF file, you can simply annotate the PDF file. You can write over it, highlight the PDF file, and also insert any shapes or even any kind of images. Second feature is view option. When you open the app, on the top right corner there is a view option. When you click 3 vertical dots, you can see grid option having small, medium and large size, and also list and simple list. I generally preferred list view option. Number 3. Manage folder. To the left corner you can see a folder option. Here you can create, manage different folder according to your subjects. Simply you click manage folders, and at last option click on create folders, and you can keep the name of your folder, and also you can create the subfolder. You can also create subfolder of any required folder. For example, I am creating subfolder of history. By clicking on this folder, simply select subfolder option and give name as I am giving word history, and select color for the subfolder. After creating subfolder or folder, you can simply add your new notes. Number 4. Page setting. To change the color of your page, you need to go on page setting option. Here you can see a different color options. You can choose whichever color you want to use. Number 5. Page scroll option. In the page setting menu, you can see the page scroll option. By this feature, you can change scroll direction as a horizontal, vertical and 2-page horizontal. By 2-page horizontal option, you can get access of 2 pages at one time. But if you are holding your tablet vertically, then only vertical and horizontal scroll down option is available. Number 6. Toolbar. When you open latest updated version of Samsung Note app, the toolbar you can see is very different from the last version of the app. You can customize the toolbar by simply rearrange the option. You can move it anywhere. You can also move it to the both side of the pages and also arrange at the downside of the pages. Number 7. Pen mode. Samsung Note provides 5 types of pen: fountain pen, calligraphy pen, pencil and calligraphy brush. But in the updated version, it provided new features in pen tool as well as in pencil tool. In pen tool having consistent flow of ink, and also ink flow which is under pressure sensitivity. And for those who used calligraphy writing, the second option is the best option. And also pencil tool is providing with increasing or decreasing opacity of color. Number 8. Shrink pen setting. With this option, it is very much easier to change which type of pen you want to use. You can change color, its opacity as well as its size. You can add your bookmark pen. You can add or delete your favorite pen size. You can also move it vertically at anywhere in the page. Number 9. Highlighter mode. The Samsung app provided 2 types of highlighters. That first one is highlighter and another one is marker. There are total 4 types of highlighter. First one is regular highlighter, second is straight line highlighter, third one is marker pen, and fourth is straight line marker pen. the regular highlighter and straight line highlighters having the sharper edges, while marker pen having round edges. If you want neat and clean highlighting to your notes, you prefer straight line highlighter or straight line marker pen. I generally prefer straight line marker for my notes. Number 10. Selection Mode Toolbar. In Selection Mode Toolbar, there are two options. The first one is Lasso Mode and the second one is Rectangle Mode. The Lasso Mode is very important and interesting feature of Samsung Note app. By selecting this mode, you can move it, you can resize, you can rearrange your work at any specific place. Number 11. Samsung Note provided quick access for 3 types of color for pen as well as highlighter. If you don't choose any kind of color for your pen and highlighter, then you can simply choose any one of the color for your pen and highlighters. There is also a pen size toolbar near the pen color. With this toolbar, you can increase or decrease the size of the pen. Number 12. Convert to text. It is very important tool that Samsung provided so well. It can change your handwritten notes to text mode, but its accuracy depends upon how your writing is neat and clear, because sometimes it converted into the wrong text. You can also select which part you want to be converted as a text. I personally like this tool so much because it will help in converting the writing mode into the text mode for any kind of project, thesis writing, article writing as well. It will ease your work for repeating the same process again and again. Number 13. Page Sorter. With this tool, you can simply rearrange the pages, you can erase the pages, you can delete the pages, you can also add new pages and also jumps on required pages you want to be select. You can also do a duplicate of pages by doing copy, cut and paste method. Number 14. Shape Tool. If you want to insert a perfect size of shapes, then you can use shape tools. In new updated version, there is no need to choose shape tool again and again. You can simply draw any shape and just hold it for a while or long press it. It will automatically get converted into the shape. To change the size of shape, you can hold and select a shape and resize and rearrange it. Number 15. Easy Writing Pad. You can write in the writing box and it will help to write more accurately and neatly with the help of Easy Writing Pad. Number 16. Text Mode. If you want to type your notes, you can use text mode option. It is having checklist, bullet point and number list. It can also change the color of font and its background also. Also you can see it has a bold, italic, underline and strike through option. You can also change font size as well as alignment to the left, right or the center. Number 17. Full Screen Mode. You can make your note into the full screen, so you can have more area for your writing work. I like this feature because it gives me more area for my writing. If you want to exit the full screen, just simply click on the exit button. Number 18. Insert pictures, PDF, voice recording and drawing. By using Insert tab, you can insert any images from gallery or directly from camera. You can also drag images from Samsung Internet that it should be open in split window. You can also add any PDF file into your notes, or you can directly scan any document by using scan option. Here I am showing you how to scan document directly on Note. You can adjust the size and crop it also. It has a crop and lasso crop option as well. You can crop any required shape as you want it. The selected image can be moved backward, forward or also save as an image in the gallery. You can also So insert voice recording of your lecture notes. Once you selected voice recording, it will start recording your voice. Also, it will do whatever you write, it will play according to the text. Also, you can change the playback speed. Once the recording is completed, you can edit it. You can also rename it and share it. If you want to erase the voice recording, you can simply just delete it by delete option. You can also insert any drawing. For that, you have to select drawing tool and draw any pictures. Once you're done your drawing, it will automatically upload to your notes. The drawing can also be cropped at any required size and shape. Number 19. Change style. In the toolbar menu, there is a symbol of capital A. From this option, you can change the font size, font color and font style. Or in the latest updated version, you can directly change style by selecting the required portion of notes. Number 20. Reading mode. You can read your notes or PDF in reading mode. For that, you just select the reading mode option on top right corner. Once you're done, you just scroll down the pages, but you can't write your notes while reading mode is on. So these are the top 20 tips and tricks of Samsung Note app. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.